Good evening. Kung tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sinta. Oh, sorry. Hindi nagsasabi. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. Good evening. Thank you for watching. 2 million in the house. Who's watching? The lurking one. Someone lurking. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for Kwan. I'm watching myself. Of course, I love myself. I support myself first. Thank you for 8 people. Thank you so much. Where are you from? The Bilbil. Payat pero may bilbil. Hi. Ikaw ang tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sinta.
What's your eyes?
Hi, Caramels. Hello. Thank you for watching. Where are you from, Caramels? Ken, Benedictos. Hello, what are you doing? I'm doing live. Obviously, I'm doing live. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for... Sorry, my cell phone is too big. Wow. Sana all phone are big. Caramels. If you want to show my fit, you need to send $2,000. If you can't afford, no need to ask. Thank you for likes. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Newfie. Hi, Newfie. Thank you for joining. Thank you, 15 people in the house. Hi, thank you for for the like, Newfie. Hey, beautiful Knuckles. Hi, Knuckles. Hello, how is your day today? What are your thoughts of the world, or just what is going on today? Interested. Uh, what are your thoughts of the world? Just what is going on today? My thoughts uh, today, my thought of the world, what is going today. I think uh, my thoughts of the world. Wait, because having today is having a not arguing, but I'm just giving them the statements about something like spreading the lies. So that's why whatever you do, uh, even like it's good or bad, but even it's a good or bad, having a karma. Yeah. It, yes, that's right. If you're doing good, you're having a good karma, something like that. God is good all the time. No one can drag you down. Maybe sometimes drag yourself, you drag yourself down. Something like that. Hurry, gold ring, hi. Sorry, my English is poor. Hope you understand my English because I'm Filipina and I'm not fluent in English. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to those who appreciate me here on this channel. If you don't like me, you need to scroll. No need to disrespect. Okay? If you are a perfect person, something like that. I know no one perfect person, but having a good person, but good person is having in this world, and I know that. I can understand you. Thank you so much, Golding, because my English is not good. Someone said that my English is poor, so I feel sorry to you guys because my English is not good. We are not good. We are not all good people, but you sure do get a good heart. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, Ray BMX. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Yes, I really appreciate that we are not good all the time because yes, me too. I'm not gold all the time. Hi, Scooby Dooby Doo. Hi, how's the night going? A night going, quiet night, calming night. Thank you for joining, everyone. Quiet and calm, that is good. Yes, but where are you from? So bido. I forgot. I think it told me before, maybe yesterday or on another day, something like that, but I forgot. I really appreciate you joining, uh you join again, something like that. Louisiana about working in Hawaii. Ah, nice to meet you. So, Stubido Bido. Thank you for joining. But better. Like Scooby Doo. But okay. Scooby Doo. Why Scooby Doo? You like dog? Thank you for joining Scooby Doo. Sorry. Oh my God. Nag-open eyes na. Ano na, open arms na. Mommy! Uh, Old cartoon character gave me the idea to use a nickname. Oh yeah, I know it's Scooby-Doo. Something like the Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Sorry. Excuse me. Lol. Hi, I'm cracking up. Why? Adrian, hello. Think usually I'm making others laugh. Oh, why? Harrod, my friend is watching you. He said you're so gorgeous. He'll send money if he's getting your attention. Shout out my friend Subhorat from Thailand. He's watching you. Okay. Thank you. From Thailand. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hi. Part of who I am, always trying to make people laugh. Ah, okay, that's good. It's a cool people. Cool. I thank you, Scooby Doo. Hi, thank you so much for the Kwan. For super chat. Thank you for the super chat. Scooby Doo. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Thanks for making me laugh. Why I making you laugh? What what I do? What I did? Huh? Huh? Oh my. What I oh my god. It was a pleasant change, Barb. Ah, okay. It was burp. Burp. Ah, the burp. Ah, the excuse me. Ah, yes. Maybe I'm full. Something like that. Maybe something like that. The real Mabel. Hi. Hi, sir, staff from the real Mabel. Where are you from? The real Mabel. Trust me, perfect timing. Perfect timing of burp. Burp. Hello, Mabel from Scooby-Doo. Sir, Scooby-Doo, are you a man or a woman? And how old are you? Yep. How are you, sir, staff from the real Mabel? Man 62 America. Ah, wow. Ah, 62. Wow. American. Oh my God. Wow. American people. I know some American people are good. They are good. I just trying to spread the chair. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Are you married, sir? Scooby-Doo. Are you married, having a kids, happy life, having a beautiful wife, something like that? No widowed and divorce. Ah, no widowed and you have two times of marriage. The real Mabel. I think you're beautiful, the real Mabel. The real Mabel. Uh, Suddenly quiet. Scooby-Doo. two marriage. First wife passed away. Second was a divorce. But because of loss of daughter, and I had to move. And second wife didn't want to go. A second marriage, first wife passed away, and second was a divorce. But because of loss of daughter, and I had to move, and second wife didn't want to go. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Second marriage on 10 years. Wow. And you live alone, sir. What is Scooby Doo? What is your what? I calling you Scooby Doo. It's weird. So you live alone, Scooby Doo? Only. Thank you. 6 people in the house. Just say too short. Start. Start. Okay. Sir Stuart. I'm not good in pronounce, so Stuart. Do you have a kids? Living with kids? Or you live alone? Or something like that? Hindi magsasawa. It's kiss too sounds like stew. Okay. Stew. Okay. Like a stew. This art. This art. This art. You live alone, sir, Stuart, or live with your kids, something like that. I have one daughter left. Okay. How many kids do you have, sir, Stu? How many kids do you have po? Yes, I live alone, but to be careful, I am in LDR. Ah, wow. Where's the lucky one? Where's she from? Sir Stu, where's your LDR relationship? She's a Filipina or living in another country? Ah, Cebu, from Cebu. Oh my God. Uh, oh my God. From Cebu. Really? Wow. How old your LDR? Filipina. How old she? Oh my God. Really? Aray ko. Wow. That's nice. How old your jowa? That's good. Hindi nagsasama. Like 15, hi Gladio Tracks. Thank you for joining. I'm not going to give out her personal information. Okay. I respect your I respect I respect your kwan. But good luck to your like long distance relationship LDR. Good luck to you, Sir Stu, and God bless always. Stay in enjoy your life. Okay. Enjoy. Hi from Denmark. Long time no seen. Hi, Sir Thomas. Hi, Sir Thomas. The real Mabel. Hi. I'm just a person who likes to talk to people. Okay. That's why. Okay po. Sticker, thank you, Scooby Doo. Thank you so much. God bless always. Take care. Have a nice day. Sorry. I'm sorry. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, ang lahat ng ito'y magagawa. Handa ako. Gab? Kana na? Gabihon na.
Nakalive ka na? Ay, alawan mo.
Oy, sarado mo. Ano yun? Sarado mo.
Aganda lang mama sa live.
Ha?
And,
Dere, mag-uli na. Nga dayo, oh. Oh, lock mo. Uy. Uy. Hmm. Hi, Tony. Where are you from, Sir Tony? Tony. Hi, Johnny. Tony, Johnny. Where are you from, guys? Tony and Johnny. Uh, uh, there.
Easy ka lang, boy.
How are you? I'm fine. Johnny. Fernando Fonso Official. Hi. Fernando Fonso Official. Cavite. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much.
Easy. Day.
Ikaw ang tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sinta, hindi magsasawa. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you so much. Happy 18th for you. I'm not 18. I'm 41 years old, my God. 18 years old. My God. Oh, under kung tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sa tuwing. Mami! Gab, tama na yung Gab. Maghapon ka na suon. How do I live without you? I want to know. How do I live without you, baby? How do I live without you? If you need go, how do I ever so well? How do I I'm not single. I'm engaged. I'm getting married soon. Da, da, da. I'm not single. Hi, 6 people. Thank you for joining. Hey, somebody. Oh my god. yes. Oh, matapang. Mga madaming mata. Aray ko. Why flash? Why you want for your flash? Where do you want flashing you? My God. Uh, Thank you for joining. Turog na ka. Ayun sa nalagda mo kaya pag naturog ka naman.
Gator ko mama. Ay, wala ka din pa.
My God. Da, da, da. Hot here. Hot here in the Philippines. Hot weather. Summer feels. That's why. Thank you for joining. 6 million in the house. Bonjour. Hi, music. Bonjour. Bonjour. Music. How are you? Bonjour. 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 Salut. Bonjour. What ulit. Thank you for likes. Gab, ngayad na sa nigda. Bonjour. My God. Bonjour. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I have a boyfriend, Duke. I have a boyfriend. And I'm getting married soon, look. I have a boyfriend. And you, are you married? Nga danig da mo, Gab. Okay, nice. Yes, thank you. How about you? He is married, but my friend is looking. Ah, okay. Where's your friend? Where is your friend from? Colorado, USA. How old are your friend? How old your friend? Turog na, Gab. I-charge mo na. Hoy, Gabriel. Gabriel! I-charge mo na. Tama na yan.
Ano mga charger?
Oh. Bye-bye. Thank you. We need to go to sleep. Bye. Thank you so much for joining. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.